Hello everyone, myself Dr. Himani Pandey. I am currently working as a lab head clinical genetics in the Radcliffe Labs. I have more than 13-year experience in the field of the human genetics and the molecular biology. My expertise in the Sanger sequencing, monogenic disorders, QF-PCR, MLPA and the new test validation by the Sanger sequencing, and in NGBS tests like HLA typing, BRCA, BRCA12, NIPT, and also I have experience in the chromosomal microarray reporting and the analysis of the genetic testing. So today let me show you how we perform the microarray test in our lab. So this is the first stage of the microarray where we receive the samples. We isolate the DNA from the POC, amniotic fluid and the whole blood samples. After getting the good concentration of the DNA, we proceed for the second stage, which include the ligation, digation, probe amplification, PCR amplification, multiple QC checkpoint is there, and after that we go for the hybridization and the chip loading. After loading the chip, we proceed for the third stage of the microarray where we use the hybridization oven. We incubate the DNA chip at the 50 centigrade for 16 to 18 hours. Next step is the fluidics. In this machine mainly used for the washing the unbound DNA and the staining of the chip. Next, we put the chip in the Sanger scanner where the installed laser sight with the scan the chip display and they convert into bioinformatics tool various files like DAT file, cell file and the chip file. After getting the cell file, we analyze the data. We use for the analysis the CHAS software. The data provided from the scanner cell file is uploaded into the software. As you can see, whole process of the microarray. We maintain our stringent quality of all our samples, and also we have very less tests of the CMA. We are releasing our report within 4 to 5 days, and our lab well equipped with the clinical geneticists, bioinformaticians, scientific officers and genetic counselors. Thank you.